Good morning, class 9th. Today we will prove some more theorems of chapter quadrilaterals. Okay. Yesterday I proved two theorems 8.1 and 8.2. Today we are going to prove theorem 8.3. This theorem says if each pair of opposite side of a quadrilateral is equal, then it is a parallelogram. So first of all, we will write the given things. Okay, the given thing is we may consider a diagram, say A, B, C, D. Each pair of opposite sides are equal, question says. So therefore we can write here AB is equal to DC and BC is equal to AD. Okay, this thing is given. Our target to prove quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. We will join the vertex A and C by construction. Join A to C. Okay. Now, here we can also represent the angles 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, consider the two triangles in correct order. In triangle ABC and triangle CDA. Okay. AB is equal to CD given. BC is equal to DA, it is also given, and AC is equal to CA, it is common. So therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA by side congruency rule. I hope you understood here. Now we can write angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4 by CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle. Now again we will consider in quadrilateral ABCD, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Okay, it shows converse of alternate interior angle. Okay, or we also write shown above. So therefore AB is parallel to DC and BC is parallel to AD by converse of alternate interior angle. Okay, so quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram proved. I hope you understood. किसी भी क्वाड्रिलेटरल को पैरेललोग्राम होने के लिए किन किन कंडीशन की आवश्यकता है? अपोजिट साइड शुड बी पैरेलल, only one pair of opposite side. If in any quadrilateral only one pair of opposite sides are equal as well as parallel, so we may consider that quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Okay. Second case, if opposite sides are equal, then it is also a parallelogram. And third, if opposite sides are parallel, then it is also a parallelogram. But here we will prove it, opposite sides are parallel, so therefore quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. and the opposite sides are equal already has given. Okay, now this is theorem 8.4. In a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. Okay, so let's see how can we prove it. First of all, we will construct a parallelogram PQRS. Okay, and we will write the given things. Quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. To prove angle P is equal to angle R, or angle Q is equal to angle S. Okay, now proof. As you can see, the given quadrilateral is a parallelogram, so it means this side is parallel to this side and this side is parallel to this side. Okay, so if we will write here PQ is parallel to SR and QR is transversal. Okay, then the sum of both angle will be equal to 180 degree by co-interior angle. Okay, or allied angle. So we can write here angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree by allied or co-interior angle. We can also write here co-interior angle by co-interior angle. Okay, say equation 1. Again we will consider these two sides as a parallel. Again PS is parallel to QR and PQ is transversal. Okay, so these two angles are also equal 180 degree. So here we can write angle P plus angle Q is equal to 180 degree by co-interior angle, say equation 2. Okay, both the equation are equal to 180 degree. So hence both the equations, both the angles will also be equal to each other. So from equation 1 and 2 we can write angle Q plus angle R is equal to angle P plus angle Q. So from angle Q to angle Q cancel, hence angle R is equal to angle P. Proved. Okay, I hope you understood. Now this is theorem 8.5. This theorem says if in a quadrilateral each pair of opposite angles is equal, then it is a parallelogram. So first of all we will construct a quadrilateral. Because we need to prove parallelogram, so we will construct a quadrilateral like parallelogram and give the name ABCD. Okay, then we will write the given things. Given each pair of opposite angles are equal, it means angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. And our target to prove quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, so proof. This is very easy, and this theorem is also the converse of previous one. Theorem 8.4 का ये converse है. 8.3 theorem 8.3 कन्वर्स थ्योरम था 8.2 का. ओके, यानी एक ही स्टेटमेंट को दो तरीके से कहा गया है. एनीवे 8.5 पे फोकस करते हैं. Now we can write here, as we know, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. Okay, angle sum property of quadrilateral, angle sum property of quadrilateral, angle sum property of quadrilateral, किसी भी क्वाड्रिलेटरल के सभी इंटीरियर एंगल का सम 360 होता है। बट हम लोगों ने इक्वेशन 1 में मान रखा है कि A के बराबर C, B के बराबर D है, तो हमें यहाँ पे को इंटीरियर एंगल्स की आवश्यकता है, तो उसको हम दिखाने की कोशिश करेंगे। तो हमने A और B को एज इट इज़ रहने देना है, C और D को चेंज कर लेंगे फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1। सो हियर वी कैन राइट एंगल A प्लस एंगल B प्लस एंगल A प्लस एंगल B इज इक्वल टू 360 यूजिंग इक्वेशन 1। ओके, यानी इट मीन्स वी changed angle C and angle D by angle A and angle B. Now we can write here 2 angle A plus 2 angle B is equal to 360. We will take common 2 from both the term. So 2 angle A plus angle B is equal to 360 and angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Now angle A and angle B represent co-interior angle. Okay, so here we can write the above condition shows converse of co-interior property. Okay, now again we will write in quadrilateral A, B, C, D, angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree shown, हम लोगों ने दिखा दिया। So therefore AD is parallel to BC, okay, by converse of co-interior angle. Okay, similarly AB should also be equal to parallel to DC. So therefore quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, hence proved. I hope you understood.